A lot of people ask, how come my stamper head falls out when I'm stamping? Do I need to glue it in? You do not need to glue your stamper head into the holder. You just need to gently place it inside. And it's very important that when you are placing your stamper head back into the holder, that it sits nice and flush against that little edge here. It's really easy to see. And it shouldn't be like this either, because that's not going to help you. And on top of that, when you're stamping, it'll warp your stamp. It'll usually not come up the way that the image is supposed to. Maybe there'll be a weird wiggle or a weird line, or instead of the design being straight, it might just kind of look wavy. And again, that's the importance of how to place your stamper head back in the holder properly. That's not pushing too much pressure onto it and causing a lot of stress and trauma onto the stamper head.